Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be again doing some knife maintenance, but this time we're going to be doing it with the axe and the axe puck. Now, I talked a bit about this in the knife maintenance introduction, and if you haven't watched that, be sure to go over and have a little look, because a lot of the materials and equipment that we'll be using today we've already discussed in that video, so it'll be good to check that out so that you can understand what kind of process we're doing today. But anyway, what we'll do is we'll get straight into this, and we'll soak our axe puck so that it's nice and wet. So starting off with the rough side, which is that side there, you want to sharpen an axe in a circular motion. So keeping the butt of the axe in a nice steady safe place, keeping the blade away from you, and all you do is just circular motions and overlapping the circles that you've already done. Another thing to remember as well is sometimes your fingers can pop out at the bottom, so when you're doing the circular motion, sometimes you can clip your finger off of the edge. Just be really careful when you're doing that. Always pay attention to what you're doing, and be mindful of where your fingers are. So just a little bit about this axe. It's handmade in Bulgaria. The head is a bearded style axe head, and it's made from stainless steel. The shaft is beechwood, and it's a really comfortable axe to use. You could do some small intricate work if you hold an axe like that, and you can also use it for larger work because of the shape of the shaft. It's got good leverage behind it. It's a nice weight, it's not too heavy. You can work with it, as I said, on small intricate details, and it's heavy enough to take down some larger stuff. So yeah, it's a really good axe. I really enjoy using this. But anyway, we'll go back to the sharpening. There we go. So I'm happy with the profile of that. It's quite sharp just now. So we'll go into the stropping process now. go. So that's quite sharp just now. I'm not wanting it too sharp. A lot of people do go for shaving sharp with an axe, but I'm not too concerned about that because I'm going to be chopping some, I'm going to be chopping some logs, splitting. So you want it quite rounded, not the actual edge itself. You want the edge sharp, but you want the bevel to be quite rounded. So that's quite good just now. I'm quite happy with that. I'm really happy with that. I mean, if need be, I can feather sticks, so yeah, I'm quite happy with that, how that axe turned out. I'll give you a close-up of the edge there. There's a little chip in there. It's quite a deep chip, so if I really wanted that out, I would need to maybe take a file to it, or put it on maybe a bench grinder, but I'm not going to bother. Not too concerned about that. The edge itself is really sharp, so that's enough for me. So I'm really happy how that turned out. That's the axe done, so I can put that away. So yeah, that's that axe sharpened now. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I really hope you learned something from this video and took something away from it. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, just so I know exactly what content to bring you. And stay tuned, because the next video I'm going to be sharpening this knife. It's a chopper. This is a Buckland Tactical V1. I really like this knife. It's really heavy. It's actually probably heavier than my axe, believe it or not. So we'll be sharpening that. I'll be putting a nice edge on that. But anyway, if you have any questions at all, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get straight back to you. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and stay safe.